action. And hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be giving you a room tour of my dorm room. So as you walk in, that's like a preview. Then the first thing you see is like my bonnet collection, my do-rag, my bags, my slides, some bandanas, which I have to add some by the way. And moving on, we have my tapestry, which is my favorite thing in my room right now. I just love that because I love body positivity, and that's why I got that. Then we have like the wall thing, the art thingy, I don't know what that's called. My carpet, it's so soft. And like disclaimer, the stain on my bed is like laundry, like transfer stuff. Then we have my little like necklaces, hair stuff, clothes, bunch of t-shirts, shoes, and at the top we have my laundry detergent, like toiletry stuff. Over here we have my book area, my study area I would say, where I'll be doing most of my studying. And up here I have my little angel from my friends. I love you guys, by the way, thank you. Then my little ladder board thingy, a printer because ain't nobody gotta go print in the library. Like, well, yeah, my chocolates. Quickest way to my heart, by the way, is chocolate. And then here, like my books, yeah, my books, textbook. Those textbooks are huge. Oh my god, I can't. And then yeah, hi guys. I'm gonna make lunch for my clinicals tomorrow, so I'm just making a simple Caesar salad. is done. Now I'm packing my lunch bag for tomorrow. So first I got everything ready. Got a bar, chocolate bar, some yogurt, cherry flavor, then my food. So I put everything in the bag, then I put it in the fridge, and so when I wake up tomorrow, everything is ready to go. Then I had some leftovers, so I made some for dinner, and while eating it I watched some YouTube. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope you like, subscribe, and
Come put up my tapestry.
Is anyone stayed back to watch the end of my video? If you're still here, thank you. So here is just like a quick video of me putting on my tapestry. Enjoy.
You'll be hurt. You elevate, know your worth, and you can't be played. You see, baby, it's the vibe for me. It's your vibe for me. Do you see me out there? I've been free.